Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove Jeep Wrangler front seats. Before you begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This crucial step helps prevent accidental airbag deployment. You will need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, a T50 Torx bit, and either 13mm or 18mm sockets, depending on your specific model. Keep some penetrating oil handy, as seat bolts can often be quite tight or rusted over time. Now, let's move on to unbolting the seat. Each front seat is typically secured by 4 main bolts to the floor of your Jeep. To gain full access to all of them, you will need to slide the seat completely forward and then fully backward. Use your ratchet with the correct size socket or T50 Torx bit to loosen each bolt. Be aware that these bolts can be extremely tight, so a breaker bar or an impact wrench might be very helpful for this step. Next, it's time to disconnect the electrical components and remove the seat. Gently tilt the seat back to access the underside. You will find several electrical connectors, often for airbags and heated seat functions, which need to be carefully unclipped. Also, remember to unbolt the seatbelt anchor from the side of the seat frame. Once all connections are free, carefully lift the seat out of your Jeep. Remember, seats can be heavier than they appear, so lift with care. To reinstall your front seats, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Carefully place the seat back into position, ensuring all electrical connectors are securely reattached underneath. Reconnect the seatbelt anchor bolt. Then, thread in the 4 main seat bolts, tightening them to a specification of around 45 to 55 foot-pounds. For easier future maintenance, consider applying a small amount of anti-seize compound to the bolt threads before tightening them down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.